So let me show you how to launch apps on the MacBook Neo. In fact, I'll show you 3 different methods. Now, the first way is to go to the dock at the bottom and find this icon called apps. You want to click on that, and that's going to list for you all the apps on your Mac. And once you find the app you want to launch, let's say you want to launch the Stocks app, for instance, all you have to do is click on it once and it's going to launch. Simple as that. Alternatively, you can go to Finder. Finder is this that you use to basically, it's like File Explorer basically from Windows. So go and launch Finder. Inside Finder, on the left-hand side menu, you will see applications. So you click on that, and again, that's going to list all your applications. Find the app you want to launch, double click on it, and that's going to launch that application. Now, you can also quickly launch a specific app by going to Spotlight. Now, Spotlight is this little, what do you call it? Magnifying glass icon right here. So you want to click on that and then go to Spotlight Search. This can search anything on your MacBook Neo. So let's say you want to maybe launch the Find My app. So you just type the name of that app. You should see it in the suggestions. Double click on it, and that's going to launch that app. So that's basically how to launch apps on your MacBook Neo. Thanks for watching, and good luck.